Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished judges and honors participant, good morning. My name is Uswatun Hasanah from University Malaysia Terengganu. Today, it is a privilege to present a study entitled Linking Technology Adoption to Profitability, the Mediating Effect of Productivity in MSME Coastal Central Java. This study addressed an important question in the context of small-scale coastal enterprise, whether technology adoption directly improves profitability, or whether its effect operates through productivity enhancement as an intermediary mechanism. Okay, why this issue matters? Salt farming in coastal central Java is highly climate sensitive and vulnerable to rainfall variability, which make production outcome unstable and income uncertain. Traditional production system often generate low productivity and unstable earning, while the economic pathway from technology adoption to profitability remain insufficiently explained. This research therefore focused on clarifying how technology creates value, especially under field conditions where unstable production directly threatens the sustainability of salt farming. From constraint to respond, the study began from a practical problem. Traditional salt production is fragile because it faces climate exposure, low efficiency, and unstable output. As a response, technologies such as geomembrane and improved production handling are introduced to increase efficiency, stability, and product quality. The key analytical question is not merely whether technology is adopted, but whether that adoption is capable of transforming production performance into measurable economic gains. Okay, next, the conceptual model consists of three main constructs: technology adoption, productivity, and profitability. Technology adoption is represented by the utilization of geomembrane and tunnel house system. Productivity is reflected in efficiency output, consistency, and cycle duration, and profitability is represented by profit stability, cost efficiency, and growth. This model is grounded in the resource-based view, or we call RBV, which suggests that technology becomes financially valuable when it's translated into operational capability. In this study, that operational capability is represented by productivity. The method, the research was conducted among government support salt farming community in Central Java that use technology-based production system. The sample consists of 63 small-scale salt farmers involved in assistance program during 2023 until 2024. Data were collected using structured Likert 5 questionnaire and interview, and the analyzed Y-caret using PLSM to evaluate both structural relationship and mediation effect. And measurement model. The measurement model demonstrates strong validity and reliability. Outer loading range from 0.871 to 0.995, indicating that the indicators load strongly on their intended construct, while the EVA value of 0.893 confirms strong convergent validity. For Cronbach alpha reach 0.983 and composite reliability reach 0.9 0.987, indicating excellent internal consistency and composite reliability. And last, discriminant validity is also support as the square root or EVE for technology adoption is 0.945 and exceed its correlation with productivity and profitability. Okay, I will explain variance. Structural models. The structural model explains a substantial share of variance in the key endogenous variable. Technology adoption explains 70% of the variation in productivity as indicated as in by an or quadrat value of 0.70. Meanwhile, technology adoption together with productivity explain 79% of the variation in profitability as indicated by an or quadrat value of 0.79. This finding suggests that the models has strong explanatory power and captures a large portion of performance difference among the observed MSME. And the hypothesis result, the direct effect of technology adoption on productivity is 0.37, indicating a very strong positive relationship. The direct effect of technology adoption on profitability is 0.495, while the direct effect of productivity on profitability is 0.432. The indirect effect is 0.362 with a t-statistic of 2.987 and a p-value of 0.003 confirm that productivity partially mediate the relationship between technology adoption and profitability. Substantively, this means that technology improve profitability not only directly but also indirectly through efficiency gains and improve production performance. And practical implication, the finding provide practical implication for managers, policymakers, sustainability-oriented development programs. For managers, treat technology adoption as a core operational strategy, not as a supplementary activity. And for policy makers, combine technology distribution with technical assistance and productivity focus support. And for the last, for sustainability, this means that technology improve profitability not only directly but also For sustainability outcome, integrated intervention is more likely to generate stable and scalable profitability for small-scale self-farmer enterprise. For the conclusion, in conclusion, this study demonstrates that productivity is the bridge that transforms innovation into profit. Technology adoption becomes economically meaningful when it strengthens operation capability, stability output, and ultimately increase profitability for small-scale farmer. Three coefficients summarize the core finding of the research: 837 for the effect of technology on productivity, 0.432 for the effect of productivity on profitability, and last 0.362 for the indirect effect to productivity. The central message is the success of technology does not end with adoption itself, but with its ability to transform production process into more productive and more profitable operation. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.